These bills are all about education. They're about the STEM initiative, science, technologies, mathematics, engineering. They're all about the middle school programs, the middle college programs, the early college programs. But let me tell you what my people and the people of North Carolina want. They want us to come to Raleigh this session and do something about the economy, about jobs, protect education, and go home. Now, the reason we have dilemmas in the state budget right now, and why it makes it so tough, is because of all of our people who aren't paying taxes because they don't have jobs. That's what the problem is that people are not employed. I want you to know that one of the finest things I think I have participated in since I have been here, remember this Senate, was over the past few months. And I think Harry Brown can echo that, and Cody Forrest and several other people, and that's the Jobs Commission. Now let me tell you quickly what the Jobs Commission is all about. It was an idea that came about by communicating and talking between our Lieutenant Governor and Vernon Malone. The creative commission that would look at join our businesses and our schools in North Carolina. Jobs. The Jobs Commission met in the 7 economic development regions of North Carolina. Those meetings we had standing room only at several of those meetings that we had conducted. The community college people were there, the private universities there, the public universities were there, the business people were there, the teachers were there, our folks who represent just the people on the street came about the importance of jobs and creating jobs. And automobile dealers, Harry, talking about the training and skills they need to get North Carolina moving again. And from that commission, Mr. President, you served as chairman of the commission, and we came forth with these 4 bills. So I stand here today on behalf of not only myself on the commission, but the other people, as well as Vernon Malone. And I say to you that in these pieces of legislation, they're not created to spend money. They're created to get our people and our education cabinets and our State Board of Education to take closer looks at our middle college, early college programs, and all innovative high school programs. The first bill